Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a captivating cosmic journey to explore the thrilling world of supernova explosions. The story of supernovae dates back to ancient times when curious minds across different civilizations observed these brilliant, yet fleeting, celestial phenomena. However, it wasn't until the 16th century when Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe meticulously documented the sighting of Tycho supernova, an explosion that transformed our understanding of the heavens. Stars, the brilliant beacons that light up our night sky, have a remarkable life cycle. Some, much larger than our sun, undergo a powerful and dramatic transformation at the end of their lives. As the massive star nears the end of its life, it undergoes several stages of fusion, synthesizing heavier elements in its core. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and the core can no longer support its own weight, it collapses under gravity, leading to an incredible surge in temperature and pressure. In a matter of seconds, the core rebounds in a tremendous explosion, releasing a burst of energy that outshines entire galaxies for a brief period. This is the supernova. The release of energy during a supernova briefly outshines entire galaxies, and for a short period, the dying star becomes one of the brightest objects in the cosmos. These celestial explosions create an incredible array of elements, dispersing them into space. Essential elements, like carbon, oxygen, and iron, that make up the building blocks of planets and life as we know it. Supernovae play a vital role in the evolution of our universe, shaping the landscape of galaxies and enriching the cosmic canvas. Supernovae give birth to neutron stars and, in some cases, even black holes, taking the remnants of stars to new cosmic frontiers. As we conclude this one-minute journey through supernova explosions, we invite you to look up at the night sky with newfound wonder, knowing that in the depths of space, stars are dancing to the rhythm of their own destinies. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos, and remember, in the vastness of space, a stellar explosion marks both an end and a beginning.